We've just completed our pass-out ceremony with our newest cohort of police cadets at Trinity Fields Additional Learning Needs School. Trinity Fields was the first ALN school in the whole of the UK to receive police cadets. Really pleased and really proud that we're able to continue this legacy with our cadets here.
It's been a wonderful day, seeing the pleasure on the faces of the children themselves and their parents as we recognise their achievement as successfully completing their course to be a police cadet. The enthusiasm has been great, and that's why we invest in this programme.
It's been an absolute pleasure today being part of the passing out parade for our Heddlu Bach. Heddlu Bach in Trinity Fields has made such an impact on our pupils, teaching them about right and wrong, teaching them about good citizenship, as well as helping to keep them safe, and seeing the police as officers who, if they are in need of help, they would provide that help. So I'm absolutely delighted to welcome police officers from Gwent Police into Trinity Fields, and long may that partnership continue.